So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a Nike Blazer Mid. That was a collaborate with the Sacai white gray color. And retail price from this is $140. Original release date was on October 10th, 2019. Colorway is Summit White, White Wolf Gray, Beige. The style number is BV0072-100. And this one is size 9. So size 9 on StockX is going for around like the $280. And then my son got this about $140 plus tax, about close to $150. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So as you can see, just do it. Hopefully there's no invoice. Oh, invoice here. So Nike Blazer Man, style number, size, and then that's a UPC code. Order quantity 1, ship quantity is 1. So it is upside down. So it's kind of crushed on this side doing a shipment, so that's not good. But the box is too small. You got the Nike, part of the Nike swoosh logo right here, and then you have the N. Give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick, like always. And you got this shiny Nike swoosh that's going across the box, and the ends over here. And then you got the IKE on this side. Got the Nike swoosh, Nike swoosh, swoosh. Just do it. The boxes are made in China. In case you're going to do some legit check, make sure your box has this kind of shape right here on the bottom. And then you got this embossed Nike swoosh logo on the upper right hand side. Got this black ring. Here's your size label. Nike Blazer Mid, Sacai. So it says white, wolf gray, pure platinum. So retails $140. So make sure you have this flap right here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Make sure I didn't do that. It was already like that, so it was packed like that already. So let's see. So here's a double layer of the tissue paper. Wow, look at that. Look at this crazy design. So as you can see around the front of the toe box, it is a double layer. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then over here as well. And on the midsection too, right here, 1, 2 layer. And you got the 2 layer of the Nike swoosh, the gray one, and then the white one. So right here is like a off-white cream color on the midsole. Wow, look at this. How many layers is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the back, got this black pull tab with the Nike Sacai. Even the shoelaces, it is in double. Got the white and then the off-white color. And then the ice stay right here, you got like a light grayish on top. And then another a little bit darker gray tone on the bottom. Same goes over here. Not sure it's like a, what do you call that? Maybe like a light bluish or light teal color. It seems like light gray to me, so. And then on the tongue, it is beige color or off-white cream. What? And then on the tongue, you got this double label, Nike label. What? And then this remind me of off-white with this unfinished on top of the tongue. You can feel the sponge. And you got this gum also, like a chevron. Oh my god, and then it come with this extra light gray color lace. That is crazy. Come with 3 laces then. So if you want, you can mix this color with like white or the beige color or the off-white. That's nice. And then here's the other shoes. So everything is double. You got the double swoosh on both side panel. Double swoosh, Nike swoosh right here on the label, on the tongue. And then on the label it says Nike swoosh, Sacai. Oh, only on the inner one. The outside one doesn't have the Sacai. And then on the midsole it says Nike Sacai. And you got the hard shoe tree right there. I don't want to mess with this one because it is for resale. Let me turn on the flash so maybe you guys can see it better. So I got the Nike Sacai in like a blue color right there. And then it says upper contains synthetic leather. And then there's your hard shell brown shoe tree that I'm not going to take it out. Let me check out the size label. Where is it at? Oh, on the inner label it says Nike Sacai 2 in like a grayish tone. So it is on both of the label. Alright, so the size label is all the way down there. It's kind of hard to see right there. Right there. So I guess I'm looking at it upside down right now. So let me tilt it. Right there. So yeah, this is pretty nice looking shoes. But with this beige and white color, it's gonna get dirty fast. Unless you know how to clean your shoes every time that you wear this. So yeah, this one is pretty unique design. So I'm not sure why the resale value is not too high up there, but so I'm gonna take the tissue paper out and then I inspect this one. What does it say on here? So it says Nike Sacai. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will not be doing the on-feet try-on because this is for resale and it is pretty hard to put your feet in this high top. Well, this is supposed to be mid, but still hard to put in. As you can see, the lace is all the way up there. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.